Hi, everybody. Uh, I'm going to show you how to choose or how to select a text editor. And this tutorial is the for the assignment of the video tutorial of the two editors. What it means by two editors here is the text editor available on Moodle. Yeah, the first one is Atto, and then the second one is tiny mce. So let's see what we have here. So in order to check it, we need to see the message, okay, or the discussion here. So I think this is tiny mce editor, right? So it's very simple. um, and if we need to have more options, so we can click these three dot here, so we have more menus. Okay, all right. So there are some basic menus, so we can some basic what do you call tools we can use. Okay, all right. If we want to explore other text editor, which is Atto, I think Auto HTML. So what we need to do is we go to this profile at the top right and then click it and then go to preferences. Okay. And we can click editor preferences. Now, as you can see, what we have is a tiny MCE editor. So let's change that into Auto HTML editor and then click send changes. Yeah. Okay. So make sure that your screen shows changes saved. Okay, and don't click the back button here because otherwise your page will go back to the tiny MCE. So what you need to do, or what based on my experience, is you click home and then go to the courses. This is Moodle for Teachers Develop course, a Moodle course, and then go to the page like video tutorial of the two editors, and then discussion topic. Right, so as you can see here, there are some more options available, and here you can show more buttons, right? See here. If you need to know what this button is about, you can just hover your mouse, and then there is a like an explanation there, right to left, and then link, and then this is, I think, yeah, the menu to put your text. Okay. Well, in my opinion, I prefer the what do you call it, Tiny MC editor, because it's I guess it looks simpler and it doesn't really clutter the screen or this area for me to write. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to click this, my profile, and then, oh, I need to cancel this first. Okay, good. Thank you. Click this, and then going back to preferences and click editor preferences. Yeah, I'm going to choose the tiny MCE because as its name suggests, it's tiny, it's simple, it has everything that I need. So don't forget to save changes. Okay, changes save, and as I did before, I need to click home to go back to uh, this Moodle for Teachers develop a Moodle course session. Okay, all right. So going back to video tutorial of the two editors page, and let's check that discussion topic. And yes, this is what I prefer because it's simple. And if I need more buttons or if I need more menus or functions, I can just click these three dots. Yeah, here. So it's quite simple, right? Okay, I think that's all from me. And thank you for listening.